Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we learn Abdaal text animation in Adobe After Effects. How he uses this type effect on his channel. So let's get started. First we need to create a new composition. Then we go to the text icon and click on it. And type anything, according to you. After typing we fix the anchor point of the middle. Then we align the text. After align, we go to the text layer, and click on arrow. And go to the animate, and click on scale. Then we put scale percentage is 0. Then we go to the range selector. And we set a key from starting frame to 0. And after 4 seconds to 100. The second keyframe to press F9 to easy ease. Then we go to the More options, and select a corrector. And we change the grouping alignment according to us. Then we same process to second text layer. After completion, we create a more accretive. We use a paper background for the layer's text. And adjust it. And we use the sound of the text and apply to the text. And it's done. We successfully create a text animation. Thank you for watching.